Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble a pull-up display stand. First, you have a media, and this is the pull-up stand. So first of all, we're going to attach the top bar onto the media. And make sure it's at the top of the media. So make sure it's at the top of the media. And make sure the media is inserted in this gap. Sure it's centered, and then when you lock it, be sure to lock it gently from middle to the edge so that it doesn't have any uneven surface. Once it's stepped on, it has a very strong grip that there's no way it can come up. Now you can put the plastic bit on the end cap. After that, I'm going to show you how to attach the banners to the stands. You have to roll it to the bottom of the banners. Now the trick here is not to pull the whole strip of the tape, because otherwise it's very hard to adjust when you made a mistake. So once you secure the position, peel off a corner of it, maybe a couple of inches, and then attach it. And once you've done that, you can slowly move the tape along the way. So make sure it's lined up straight, and then you can pull the tape. You notice there is a safety pin at this corner. This is to stop the springs from retracting all the banners. So you don't want to pull this when you're not ready. So before you pull this, make sure you secure the banners. Make sure you pull out a bit of it, hold it, and then you pull the pin off. And then slowly, with 2 fingers on both sides, guiding the graphic, the banner into the base. It is spring loaded. You have to control the banners to not go in too quickly, or otherwise it may damage your print. So there you go. We have the print insert into the banners. I'm going to show how to assemble the pull-up display. So you come in the pole. Insert the pole at the back of the base. Now, make sure the banners is centered, and you can use your hand and grabbing on the pole to guide it to make sure it go up. So make sure you tilt it at the center, so it makes it easier for you to clip on the top edge. Stand has 2 feet.